We spend so much time chasing what we don't have that we forget to appreciate what we already do. Gratitude is not just a feeling, it's a choice, a decision to notice the good even when life feels hard. It is the greatest gift you can give yourself because it changes how you see everything. She didn't change her life overnight. She changed her focus, and her focus changed her life. He had none of the things people chase, yet he had something rare, a grateful heart. Gratitude turns what you have into enough. It brings peace to your mind and strength to your heart. It makes small moments feel big and ordinary days feel beautiful. Gratitude doesn't mean life is perfect. It means you refuse to let darkness blind you to the light you still have. When life is hard, gratitude is your anchor. When life is easy, gratitude is your reminder. You may not have everything you want, but look around, you have so much to be thankful for. Your life is filled with hidden gifts waiting to be noticed. Gratitude is the greatest gift you can give yourself because it turns every moment into a blessing.